Well, hello there, and a good day. My name is Sarge Anpalagan, and today, me and my teammates are going to present on our project called Portable Chicken Cutting Machine. So let's get straight into it. First is I'm going to explain about our introduction of our project. So the concept of our project is to cut desirable chicken parts in a more efficient and short amount of time, making it safer to use and also adding portability function to it. Next, we're going to talk about problem statement. So the problem that we encountered with the existing project is the existing project takes too much time to cut a chicken. Plus, there's no any safety precaution, which is not good. Plus, there's no any hygienic precaution taken by the butcher, which is bad. So moving on is the objective. So the objective of our project is to automate chicken cutting and making it portable at the same time. Also to ensure customers always protected because safety is our number one priority. Next is also to reduce and operate effectively. Moving on is our scope of our project. So our scope of project is mainly targeted on one community of people, this community stands from disabled people, school children, SME industry, equipment and machine designs, plus elderly people. So let's focus on the aim of our project. So why do we do this project? So we do this project is to overcome the problems faced by the community, which the community says that it takes quite some time to cut a chicken, and also it is difficult to cut a chicken. So that's why we come in producing a more easier and convenient way to cut chicken. Plus, our next aim is to improve the technology of the existing project, which is manually used to cut, and change it automatically. So yeah, that's all for me today. I'm going to pass to my teammate earlier, and she will present the next topic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our lecturer and all my team members. Today, my name is Nur Alia binti Azidin. Today, I would like to present about the user research. This is the literature review from our previous research. Among the popular food, chicken is one of the most popular meat consumed by humans. Currently, chicken cutting is done manually with rotary blade. This has its problem, like accident and tend to happen and hygienic problem. Most of the work are done by elderly people, which create higher chances of possible accident. Males are dominant in this sector. Lastly, study shows that using electric saw reduce chicken meat loss rate by 15%. This is our example of our questionnaire. There are two examples of our questionnaire that showing people are very satisfied in our product. This is the example of our product. This is the existing project. We have used these two products as our benchmark to do our project. Firstly is automatic chicken cutting machine. Normally used in factory to produce mass quantity of chicken pieces. Every product has pro and cons. The strength is easy to operate, high efficiency, and the weakness is not portable and it is heavy. Next is chicken cutter machine. Normally used in market butchers. The strength is easy to maintain and easy to clean. The weakness is heavy and actually is a lack of safety. This is statistic in our previous research. We can see that the famous food chicken is one of the most popular meats eaten by humans among well. That's all from me. I will pass to our next presenter, Tavinesh. Thank you.
Tavinesh Kumar, Analaki Rajendran. Thank you, Aya, for passing me the cue. Today, I'm here to discuss about methodology for our product, which is portable chicken cutting machine. Let's go into our slide. Methodology is an idea that are proposed through a brainstorming and screen for the best product idea through a journey map. In a journey map, we got to see many of methodology. First of all, idea generating and screening. From the problem statement and help from our supervisor, we slightly got an idea, which is portable chicken cutting machine. From the problem statement, we developed the questionnaire and we prepared 10 questions regarding chicken cutting machine. We managed to collect data from 50 respondents. From the questionnaire, we produced HOQ, house of quality. In house of quality, we analyzed the feedback of 50 respondents and change it to engineering requirement for our product, which is portable chicken cutting machine. We need to create morphological chart based on the engineering requirement that we produce from HOQ to create conceptual design. After creating morphological chart, we go through a process called concept screening and scoring to decide which design should be considered or improved upon. Then we look at into life cycle thinking, which is method used to impact assessment of our product and to quantify the environment impact that arise from the material input and output. Last but not least, eco web design and indicator, which is consists of applying environmental sustainability and requirement over life cycle. Then we look into CAD drawing. In CAD drawing, we got design for manufacturing. This is our CAD drawing. Thank you. I pass it to Ruben Mullen.
Thank you, Tavinish. My name is Ruba Malin, and I'm going to talk about discussion. In discussion, we're actually finalizing the HOQ, setting the life cycle thinking, and also determining the eco web and eco indicator. As for the results, we have obtained through 4 different methods, which is survey, HOQ, concept screening and scoring method, and also usability testing. From the survey, we have found that from 40 respondents, 16% out of 40 respondents have said that they would like us to improvise in the convenience in using this product. So in our starting, we have believed that it is so that it's quite hard to use the product, but after explaining to the customer, they feel that they have understand the product even more. As for the second highest will be the multi-function. We are currently we are only aiming at chicken, but they want us to cut meats and fish. So as for the moment, we are actually continuing with chicken, but in the future project, we will plan to move forward with other meat. Moving on to the HOQ. Based on the customer recommendation, we have found that the portable chicken cutting machine has a very high rating in portability, hygiene, safety, shock resistant, and also aesthetic compared to the automated chicken cutting machine and also the chicken cutter machine. As for the engineering recommendation, this also shows that portable chicken cutting machine has a very high rating compared to the automated chicken cutting machine and also chicken cutter machine in all the material used and built. As for this concept screening method, it is shown that we have developed more than 8 concepts. From these 8 concepts, after using the concept screening and scoring method, we have found that the concept C has the highest ranking and rating. So we have decided to use the concept C. And concept F and G comes in second and third, which 3 of these was brought forward through the scoring method, and from the scoring method we have found that concept C is still the best concept to go ahead with our project. And moving to the last testing, which is the usability testing, we have found that the average satisfactory of our end users are at 71.25% after the last survey, and I feel that this shows a very high satisfactory in our end users for our product. Okay, that is the end for discussion, and I would like to pass it is to Mira. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amira Maisara Binti Alias. I will be the last presenter for our project. I'm here today to discuss the prototype of our product. As you can see, we had created a design which focused on the material use, portability, and the functionality. This was done with a 3D sketch using Autodesk Inventor. The original design of this product parts, which include the base, the tray, the handle, the connector for handle and tray, hinge, the lid, and the blade. I will explain the mechanism of this product. The first step is needed to turn on the power supply on the machine. Secondly, the user put the clean chicken into the tray and close the lid. Thirdly, press on the start button. After that, the machine started to cut the chicken into pieces by the force of blade which going down onto the chicken. After finish cutting, the blade is going up onto its original position. Finally, the user can open the lid, then remove the tray and take out the cut pieces. Next, we found out that there were a few suggestions to help the user for product function. One of it is we decided on adding a keypad on the front of the product, which will allow the user to key in the desired pieces and the machine will do the rest. Since the original design was a square shape, the cleaning process as they must tilt the machine upside down to throw away dirt or even water. To avoid that, we decided to add a drainage system where they will only have to spray water into it and the hole at the side of the machine will channel all the dirty water out of the machine. So here is our product design after being improvised to an added value to the function. I'd like to summarize by saying that the prototype has gone through a lot of survey and research to obtain the best design. This will surely ensure that the scope, aim, and objective are achieved. I sincerely appreciate that my team and I've had this opportunity to present to you. Thank you so much and have a good day.